Transcribing your audio and video is one of the most underrated components of your marketing and content creation process. Why? Because technically you can skip it, and if you're busy creating content, you can skip it, right? And sometimes you can automate it, but it's not really accurate. Even YouTube own closed caption feature is sometimes it's hit or miss, and most of us can read and listen, but for certain people, this closed caption or transcribed audio and video is extremely important. And coming up the age of AI, it's really important that text data is available for AI to scrape so your contents get attention. But at the same time, it's not really easy to find reliable and good transcription software. Some of the software lives in your local computer and do it, but it eats your machine power. Today's software resolve all the issue. It's called UniScribe. So currently UniScribe is deal on AppSumo. Out of 5 tacos, it's pretty solid app, and I tested it. And they have 2 different pricing tier. So first tier is $50, and every month you get 1,200 minutes. That's pretty good, right? And if you go tier 2, you even get 6,000 minutes per month. You don't have to worry about the minutes, right? With that kind of threshold. And if you go to actual UniScribe website, you can see the pricing. Basically for tier 2, $440, you are getting this pro, right? 6,000 minutes per month. Then you get charged $216 a year. So that's kind of annual charge. But if you get it from AppSumo now, while the deal lasts, you get for life. So that's a pretty good deal. So out of that, let's get started and how to use it. So currently, they support so many languages, not only English, but they support up to 98 languages and supports 11 formats, including for subtitles like a BBT and SRT, and you can export too. So when you go to dashboard, this is how it looks like, and it's really simple, easy to use dashboard. So all you have to do is upload a video if you have stored or video or audio on your computer, and you can upload, or you can actually paste the link from any YouTube video. In my case, I'm gonna try in different language. So this one is one of my Japanese videos, and all you have to do is just set language. So in this case, this is Japanese, so I'll just choose Japanese and generate subtitles. That means when you turn on, when you export, you have option to export SRT and VTT format. So advanced settings, you can turn on the speak recognition. That means if you have interview or podcast style video and audio, it recognizes speaker. So it categorizes, speaker A says this, speaker B says that, and that's a feature too. But in my video, it's just my talking head video. So I'm not in the video. So that's it. So I'm gonna just transcribe, just hit the button and start. So while it's just generating, I'm just gonna go over where it's gonna be. So this is the player. Once it's done, you can play and listen to the audio. And this is where all the transcription happens in a timeline fashion. And here, when you go to overview, you see a summary of that video. And the key points, it's just like a notes, basically summarize and notes key point, right? And if you go mind map, actually you see the mind map of this video. It's kind of new idea, right? But you can see the contents or how it's organized. That's pretty nice. So while it's doing this, let's go back to my other video. This is just simple other video I uploaded and tested. This is the English one. So speaker says this, time frame. You can listen by hitting play. That's pretty easy, right? And you can actually hit this copy button to just simply copy and paste it anywhere you want. Or you can go this and fix sometimes like certain terms or certain industry jargons, it misses, right? So you can fix it if you want to. And here is a summary, the whole thing. So maybe you can put this in, if you're uploading to the YouTube, you can maybe put this summary onto your description that helps the viewers and what the video is all about. And also key points. These are very helpful because out of this transcription and overview and key points, you can even create the blog post into it, right? Or there's an app for the video to the blog app too, but maybe you can create. So maybe I can do that. If you like me to do it, please comment. So I'll try to make that a workflow. So mind map. So just like this. So you see. Yeah, just like the introduction. These are structure of the video, and each section talking about this, right? So out of this, you can create really simple the structure for your video. That's pretty cool. Then all you have to do from this point, just export, right? So there's a couple options here. So text file, it's really simple. What's been spoken in the video is just a text format. So just like this, it's really simple text file. Nothing fancy. So if you want to feed this whole thing into a different AI, maybe this is the best part because it doesn't have any format. If you choose Word document, it's gonna be like this. Well, this is not the Word, the Mac, the Pages, but it's the same thing. It's converted into Word document. And if you choose PDF, obviously it's gonna be PDF. And also there's export options. You wanna put show speaker names. If you have multiple speakers, that might help. And also show timestamps. So every sentence has the timestamp. If you don't want it, just check and export it. So this is how this PDF, just simple, right? It's just a PDF format, nothing fancy. And the CSV, let's say I can just set this, show timestamps, like this, start time, end time, and each sentence. And when you set SRT format, there's no option to choose timestamps and so forth because it's built. And finally, if you choose VTT format, it's the same thing. It's for subtitles, so the format is built in. So you can just simply upload to YouTube and feed it. Just like this. Right? So you don't need to edit. So while we are talking, this Japanese video finished transcription. So the summary is going to happen in Japanese too, because I think the contents was Japanese. So it doesn't translate. It just transcribe. Right? Then key points and mind map. Right? This is a live example. And like I described this before, like I said before, you can choose different options that you can listen to what you just actually said. I think there's a bug here. When you choose this and you play. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, like that. So that's cool. So that's it. It's really simple and very useful. And lastly, I want to check the roadmap because that's kind of important, especially the app like this, how is planned to evolve. So these are the things, it's almost done, or it's done, like a speaker identification. So that feature, you saw it, right? And they're working on this. This is really exciting. The API for uploading audio files and receiving transcriptions. So that's a great feature. There's so many apps, but not so many SaaS app offers API access, especially for the deals like on AppSumo's deals. So this means you can hook up with any, automation tools, Make.com, Zapier, or N8N. So that's really exciting. So that's it. That's UniScribe. They're currently on AppSumo. It doesn't hurt if you're looking for a solution like this. It's no brainer because you can buy from AppSumo, and they always have 60 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can just request a refund and get your money back, and no lose, right? So just give it a shot if you're shopping for this type of service. If you like this video, please give me a like, and if you like to see more contents like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.